Alright, what is going on, guys? Today I'm going to be changing my front grille, my headlights, and my turn signals on my FJ Cruiser, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and remove my grille first. So in order to remove the grille, what you need to do is remove two Phillips head screws. So one's going to be right over here and one's going to be right over here, and then there's going to be a couple clips. So there's going to be one on this end and then one on this end over here. So I'm going to go ahead and just take these screws off first. I'm going to be reusing these again for my new grille, so I'm just going to go ahead and just put them in my pocket so I don't lose them. And now in order to take the clip off, pretty easy. Alright, so once it comes out enough, you can put your finger in there, lift it up like that, it'll open, and then just shake it a bit and pull it out. You might have to shake it more depending on how long it's been there for. Same thing for the other side. Put that screwdriver in there. Whoa, see? This one pops out just like that. Shake it a bit, pull it out. And same thing, I'm keeping them because I'm going to be using them for my new grille. And the next thing we're going to do to take the grille off is we're just going to pull. So, pull like that. Be careful, there are some tabs. You got to pull hard, but don't pull that hard because you don't want to break the tabs. Especially if you're reusing your grille. I'll be selling my grille. And don't worry about any wires. I have wires because I was running these Raptor lights, but I might be ditching the Raptor lights now. There we go. Grille comes off just like that, pretty easy. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to be removing the headlights. And to remove the headlights, pretty easy. One screw over here, one screw over here. I'm going to go ahead and take that out. Same thing, I'm going to keep these screws because I'm going to be reusing them for my headlights. And before you actually pull the headlight off, I would suggest unplugging it. With my headlight, they're aftermarket, so my plugs are going to be different compared to your plugs. So I'm not going to show you how to do that. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. There's just a plug behind there and you just unplug it, and yeah, and you're good to go. I'll go ahead, take these off. Now to completely remove the headlights, there's another step you have to do. So you just have to remove this plastic piece over here. I already removed it on this side. Once you take it off, there's going to be a Phillips head screw. You just remove that, and the headlight and turn signals are connected together. So and I'm just going to show you guys how to remove this piece right over here. Pretty easy, just with your hand. Put your hand right behind there and just push it. See that? Once you push it, you pull it and it pops out just like that. And same thing, we got our screw right there. We're gonna go ahead and remove that. That is pretty rusty. If my Phillips head doesn't work, we'll just use a 10mm socket. For all the screws we removed, you can either use a Phillips head screw or a 10mm socket. It's really easy. Once you remove the top screw and the bottom screw there, the headlight and the turn signal come out together as one piece. Now would be the time to unplug whatever you need to unplug. Don't just rip it out, pull it out nicely. Anything you see that's holding the headlight and turn signal in, unplug it. So my turn signal plug, my headlight plug, same thing for this side, my headlight plug, and then my turn signal plug over here. You go ahead, just press on this button and it should just unplug. But these tabs are pretty tight. See, nicely unplugs nicely. Everything is completely off. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the intercooler there for the supercharger. I'm just playing. Okay, so everything is off. Got the headlights right over here, and I'm gonna show you how to separate the turn signals from the headlights. So really easy. There's these three bolts there. We just gotta remove them. So I'm just removing these bolts, took one out. Alright, once you remove those three bolts, the headlight just separates itself from the turn signal. So here is the headlight. And if you just change the headlight, you just connect it to the turn signal and just use the same bolts you took off. So yeah, pretty straightforward. Now I'm going to go ahead and start putting everything on my FJ and show you guys what my new look looks like. Alright y'all, I got my lights on. And I just gotta figure out how I want to do the wiring. Alright, I just threw my new grill on it and this thing looks killer. I got my lights wired up for both sides. Everything's working good. I got my left turn signal on, sorry, my right turn signal on. I'm gonna go turn the other one on and see what's going on. This one does seem to be kind of lagging out, but it's okay. That's why I'm keeping my OEM turn signals. So yeah, everything's good. I just need to buy 2 H4 bulbs to fit this one because the previous headlights I had, they were aftermarket and they were using 9005. So now I gotta get some new ones for this. Other than that, everything's good. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask in the comments down below. But yeah, that's how you change the headlights, the grille, and turn signals on your FJ Cruiser. Thanks for watching.